Apple is gearing up for one of its most radical iPhone upgrades yet, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to set new standards in smartphone technology. With cutting-edge advancements in design, display, performance, and AI-driven features, this device could redefine what an iPhone can do. In this deep dive technology review breaks down everything you need to know about the iPhone 17 Pro Max, from leaks to expectations and game-changing upgrades. A complete redesign, aesthetic, and functional overhaul. Apple is expected to introduce a new design language for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, making it one of the biggest aesthetic overhauls since the iPhone X. Unlike the titanium frame of the iPhone 15 Pro Max and 16 Pro Max, Apple is rumored to be using a unique hybrid aluminum glass combination for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Key design changes. New dual material back. The top half may feature brushed aluminum, while the lower half remains glass for MagSafe and wireless charging. Slimmer and lighter body. Despite its larger battery, leaks suggest a weight reduction compared to previous Pro Max models. Thinner bezels and smaller dynamic island. Advancements in Face ID technology may allow Apple to shrink the dynamic island while keeping all Face ID functions intact. Completely redesigned camera module. Say goodbye to the classic square camera bump. Apple may introduce a sleek, rectangular camera layout that optimizes lens placement. With these changes, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be the most premium-looking iPhone ever. The next-gen display, beyond promotion. Apple has always been a pioneer in display technology, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to bring major advancements in both refresh rates and durability. What's new in the display? Even brighter OLED panel. Rumors suggest peak brightness exceeding 3,000 nits, making it the brightest iPhone display ever. Smaller dynamic island. The Face ID system may use a metal lens design, making the cutout even smaller. Under display, Face ID, possibly in testing. While unlikely for the Pro Max model in 2025, early leaks indicate Apple is working on integrating Face ID under the screen for a more immersive experience. Higher efficiency promotion. Apple's 120Hz LTPO display may get an even lower power draw, boosting battery life significantly. This combination of improvements will make content consumption, gaming, and everyday use smoother than ever. Performance. A19 Pro chip and AI revolution. Apple's A-series chips have always led the industry in efficiency and performance, and the A19 Pro is set to push boundaries even further. Built on TSMC's enhanced 3nm process, this chipset is rumored to deliver huge performance gains while consuming less power. Expected performance upgrades. Faster CPU and GPU. A significant jump in raw processing power, ideal for gaming and AI-driven tasks. 12 GB RAM standard on Pro models, ensuring smoother multitasking and better AI performance. Vapor chamber cooling, Pro Max exclusive. Improved thermals for high-performance workloads. AI-powered smart features. Apple is reportedly working on on-device AI that enhances Siri, photo editing, and predictive text. This hardware leap ensures the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be a powerhouse for years to come. Camera system, 48MP periscope zoom, and computational magic. Apple's cameras have always delivered exceptional results, but the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to make a massive leap in camera hardware and AI-driven photography. Rumored camera upgrades. 48MP periscope telephoto lens. Major upgrade from 12MP, enabling sharper long-range shots. 48MP ultra-wide camera. Sharper details and improved low-light performance. Larger main sensor. Better dynamic range, improved night mode, and stunning depth in portrait shots. 24MP selfie camera with AI enhancements. A first for iPhones, making video calls and selfies significantly better. Apple is likely to integrate new AI-powered photography features, improving image processing and enhancing portrait modes in real time. Battery and charging. Faster. more efficient power management. Battery life has always been a priority for Apple, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max could see the biggest improvements yet. Key battery enhancements: larger battery capacity, potentially exceeding 4,500 milliamp hours while keeping weight minimal. Faster charging, 35W wired and 20W MagSafe, a significant bump in speed. Graphene-based cooling for better efficiency, improving heat dissipation and power efficiency. Combined with iOS 19's battery optimizations, the iPhone 17 Pro Max may offer one of the longest battery lives in flagship smartphones. Software, iOS 19 and AI-powered enhancements. Apple's iOS 19 is expected to debut alongside the iPhone 17 lineup, and early reports suggest a heavy focus on AI-driven capabilities. What's new in iOS 19? AI-boosted Siri, more natural responses, better contextual awareness, and offline capabilities. Live translation features, powered by on-device machine learning, making communication seamless. Smarter promotion adaptation, improved refresh rate handling for optimized battery life. More customization, enhanced lock screen widgets and dynamic wallpapers. iOS 19 will refine Apple's user experience while making the iPhone 17 Pro Max feel even more futuristic. Special surprise, the iPhone 17 Air. Apple is rumored to introduce an ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air model, targeting users who want a lightweight yet premium experience. What we know about iPhone 17 Air. Thinnest iPhone ever, just 5.5 millimeters. Ultra-lightweight design, 120 Hz display, and dynamic island. Camera control button, a possible new hardware feature. The iPhone 17 Air could redefine thin and light premium smartphones, making it a unique addition to Apple's lineup. Expected release date and pricing. Apple typically launches new iPhones in September, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is likely to follow this pattern. Possible pricing for the iPhone 17 series. iPhone 17 Air, $899 plus. iPhone 17, $999 plus. iPhone 17 Pro, $1,199 plus. iPhone 17 Pro Max, $1,299 plus. Given the expected design and performance upgrades, these prices seem reasonable, though Apple may adjust them based on production costs. Final thoughts: should you be excited? The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of Apple's most ambitious iPhone updates in recent years. With a redesigned body, upgraded cameras, AI-driven performance, and an even better display, this device is likely to be a game-changer. If you're looking for an iPhone that pushes boundaries, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is definitely worth waiting for.